How to upload YouTube videos to get more views. I gained over 14,000 views in 3 weeks of starting my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you how you can too start and grow your YouTube quickly for your business goals in the next 11 minutes. Today I got some shocking truths about uploading YouTube videos to help you get more views. These aren't your typical tips either. Stay tuned because by the end you will know exactly how to optimize your uploads so that YouTube works for you faster and longer. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Özge. I'm all about helping people, especially those over 40, harness their potential and grow their presence online to build something meaningful. First up, your video finally. This sounds so simple, right? But it's actually a huge missed opportunity for most creators. When you upload a video, YouTube doesn't just look at what's inside the video. It scans the metadata, including your file name. Google and YouTube use this info to understand what your video is about. If your video is named something like img_1234, you're missing out. Let's say your video topic is 10 mistakes that kill your views. Instead of naming it exactly, try a more specific phrase like avoid these YouTube mistakes for better views. This type of title uses keywords people are likely to search for, which means both Google and YouTube might be more likely to surface your content. Number 2, rename your thumbnail file. This one is a shocker. I learned this really late. Your thumbnail file name, I know, you might think this is a minor detail, but it's another chance to add metadata that tells YouTube what your content's about. Instead of thumbnail, final, or 1, 2, 3, 4 like I used to do, try using something like YouTube mistakes thumbnail. Adding relevant keywords here reinforces your topic and aligns with what you're saying in the video. Number 3, using upload default to save time and be consistent. When you're adding description in your videos, here is where things get interesting. The upload defaults. So go into YouTube Studio, settings, upload defaults. This lets you to set a standard description category and even tags for all your videos. This way, every time you upload, you have a solid foundation of keywords and info that YouTube can use to index your video more effectively. This makes uploading so much easier. Plus, if you're trying to build a brand, it keeps your information consistent across videos. Consistency is key for YouTube's algorithm to understand who you are and what your content is all about. Number 4, playlists. If you're not using playlists yet, you're missing a huge opportunity to keep people on your channel longer. Playlists are like a journey for viewers to binge watch your content, which tells YouTube that people find your videos valuable. This increases your channel's overall watch time. And guess what? YouTube loves that. And try grouping videos by the theme or topic so people can watch several related videos in a row. For example, if you're talking about building a business over 40, create a playlist. You can even create a podcast. Most importantly, don't forget to add cards and end screens at the end of each video to lead viewers to the next one. You're creating a viewing experience and YouTube rewards that with better exposure. And number 5, the power of tags, how you should use them most effectively. Now let's dive into tags. YouTube looks at both short and long form keywords to figure out what your video is about. Short tags might be simple like YouTube tips or YouTube views, video views, but long tail tags like how to upload videos on YouTube for more views help YouTube to understand the specific context of your video. Try using a mix of these in your tags. You can even use tools to generate these like vidIQ or ask ChatGPT for ideas. This helps you to cover different search phrases and makes your video more likely to be found. I have a free guide about ChatGPT prompts for YouTube. You can download it from the description below and it's free. It's also a beginner guide for YouTube and using all kinds of ChatGPT prompts to make content creation easier for YouTube. Choose the right category. I did that mistake. My category was education, and the moment I changed it, I saw like much higher views, and I changed it to how-tos. One mistake a lot of new YouTubers make is choosing the wrong category. Categories aren't as straightforward as they seem, but choosing the right one tells YouTube where your video fits. By selecting the right category, you're making sure your video appears in the right context. And here are my 3 big pro bonus tips. This one, I learned this from Alex Hormozi. They spent thousands of dollars finding out about this on analysis and with the YouTube analytics on their AdSense. They found out that their video that uses this entrance were their best performing ones, and it is the proof, promise, plan. Proof being showing you my result or a client's result, then promise is telling you I'm going to show you in this video, and the plan is the next 11 minutes step by step so that you can copy this strategy. I did this in the beginning of this video. Add chapter markers. You can use ChatGPT or use auto chapter creation for YouTube. This can actually improve retention because people will come back to watch specific parts, but also it can show your videos chapter on Google's search results, especially for how-to videos and education videos. And try to not tell everything you're talking about in these chapters. Just give hints so that people don't just read it and skip your video. So try to make them curiosity sparking. And ask questions in your descriptions and comments. Interaction doesn't end in the video. Ask viewers, answer a question in the comments. It keeps people talking about your video and shows YouTube that your content is engaging. And you can even comment under your video. If you have any questions, please let me know. And then this way your video is gonna have a comment immediately. So there you have it. Those are the lesser known tips that can truly change how your videos perform on YouTube. By optimizing your file names, using playlists, setting up upload defaults, and choosing the right tags and categories, you're telling YouTube, I'm serious about this. Remember, every little detail you add to your video, metadata, helps YouTube better understand your content, which can ultimately lead to more views and subscribers. If you're over 40 and ready to build your channel, I really encourage you to dive in. You don't have to be perfect, just start. Let me know in the comments what surprised you the most, and if you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you never miss a new upload. Thanks so much for watching. Until the next time, keep creating, keep growing, and if you want tips for YouTube thumbnails, here's a video that you can watch next. Thank you.